Today we are doing shoulder stretch, shoulder flexor stretch. Technique: stand upright while facing a doorway or corner. Place feet shoulder width apart with one foot slightly in front of other foot. With the straight arm, raise your arms to the shoulder level and place your palm on the wall. Lean the entire body forward. You mostly feel the stretch on pectoralis major, anterior deltoid, coracobrachialis and biceps brachii. Thank you. Shoulder flexor and depressor stretch. Technique: stand upright while facing a doorway or corner. Place feet shoulder width apart with one foot slightly in front of other. With straight arm, raise arm high above the head and place the palm on the wall. Lean the entire body forward. You mostly feel this stretch on pectoralis major, anterior deltoid, coracobrachialis, biceps brachii or pectoralis minor. Shoulder adductor elevator and protractor stretch. Technique: stand upright with the feet shoulder width apart. Raise your left hand above the head. With the right hand, hold the left elbow. With the right hand, try to pull the left elbow behind the head past the left ear. You mostly feel the stretch on left posterior deltoid, left latissimus dorsi, left triceps brachii, left lower trapezius, left serratus anterior. Thank you. One arm shoulder flexor stretch. Technique: stand or sit on backless chair, upright with the left arm behind the back and the elbow bent at about 90 degrees. Place the feet shoulder width apart with the toe pointing forward. Grab the left elbow with right hand. Pull the left arm across the back and up towards the right shoulder. You mostly feel the stretch on left pectoralis major, left anterior deltoid and medial deltoid. Thank you. Shoulder adductor and extensor stretch. Technique: stand in a squatting position while facing a doorway with the right shoulder lined up with the left side of door jamb. Stick the right arm through the doorway. Grab the inside of the door jamb at shoulder level with the right hand, while keeping the right arm straight and feet firmly planted. Lower the buttock towards the floor. You mostly feel the stretch on right posterior deltoid, right middle trapezius, right triceps brachii, right teres minor, right rhomboides, right infraspinatus. Thank you. Shoulder adductor, protractor and elevator stretch. Technique: stand upright while facing door jamb with right shoulder. Place feet shoulder width apart. Bring the left arm across the body towards shoulder. Hold the door jamb at shoulder level. Rotate the trunk inward until you feel stretch. You mostly feel stretch on left posterior deltoid, left middle deltoid, left latissimus dorsi, left triceps brachii, left middle trapezius and left rhomboides. Thank you. Seated shoulder flexor depressor retractor stretch. Technique: sit on the floor, the leg straight. While keeping the arm straight, place the palm with the finger pointed backward on the floor about 30 cm behind the hip. While keeping arm straight, lean backward towards the floor. You mostly feel the stretch on pectoralis major minor, anterior deltoid, coracobrachialis and biceps brachii. Thank you.